Alright guys, welcome to your 14th video, or at least I think it's the 14th video. Who freaking cares what number it is? The important part is, in this tutorial, what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to create that text file and also how to load it into our program because it's a little tricky loading it in. So the first thing that we actually need to do is create a text file. So go to my website, thenewboston.org. It won't work with any other website. Go ahead and watch some of my videos, maybe follow me on Twitter. And once you're done with that, go ahead and hop over to my About section. And there's a bunch of useless, boring text on here. Please don't read it. It's incredibly boring. What we are interested in doing is selecting a couple paragraphs, just steal all this content from my website. And now once we have a bunch of content copied, go ahead and open Notepad++ and paste it in. Now, I actually forgot what was the name of that text file. So in .cpp, crapaboutbucky.txt. What a freaking beautiful name. So now if I go ahead and save this as, and might as well just save it on your desktop. It's probably the easiest location. Crapaboutbucky.txt, save, check it out. Easy enough. We now have a very simple text file stored on our desktop. They say desktop like a freaking Boston car charger. But anyways, we now can verify that because we have a little text document on our desktop looking pretty good. So now that we have that, what we need to do is, of course, load it into our project so we can do something useful with it. So open up Qt again, and in order to load files into your project so that you can use them, go ahead and select File, New File. Oh, I got freaking phlegm in my throat. New File or Project. Qt Resource File, and choose this. Now it says just get a name of it, and guys, this doesn't need to be the name of your file. That's not what it's asking for. Just go ahead and type FindCrap, or you can actually type anything you want in there. Hit next, and the rest of everything should be set up by default, the correct path and what project do we want to add it to. Make sure you're adding it to the project that you want to add it to, of course, and select finish. And it says, oh, because I added it before in my freaking, hold on a second, let me do this. Yes to all. The reason that it's saying that, it shouldn't say to you, is because I actually added this before and I recorded this tutorial, and then I found out that my microphone was on mute, so now I have to do it again. So that's why it's saying that I have to overwrite it, but you guys shouldn't have to overwrite it. So basically what you need to do first is you need to change the prefix. So if you go ahead and select this file, or it should take you here by default, in the prefix section right here, click add prefixes, and hit the forward slash just like that. So that's going to be our prefix. So now what we need to do is we need to actually add the file. So go ahead and hit add files, and it was on the desktop, and where was it? Crap about Bucky. And again, this says we pretty much want to copy it to our resource folder because that's where we need it to work on it. So just hit copy right there, and it says choose copy location. This should be set up by default. Hit save. We're good to go. Now if you click on this, your resource files, you now see that crapaboutbucky.txt is now successfully loaded into our program. So now that I think everything's loaded, let me see if there's anything else I need to do. You know what? I think that's it right there. So now if we go ahead and build and run our program, come on, baby, come on. Alright, it looks like it's working so far. Now, let me go ahead and, what's a common word? T-O? Alright, go ahead and search for this and hit go. And hopefully, oh yeah, check it out. And I know this, even for me, just looking at it right now, it's really difficult for me to see. So I'd imagine on YouTube it's going to be extremely difficult. But the two right here is actually highlighted. Now if you go ahead and hit go again, it should highlight the next two, which is right here. Hit it again, this one again, right here, and you can keep cycling through it until it gets to the end. And once it gets to the end, your program's complete. You can go ahead, X out of it, clap your hands. There's the first kind of useful program that we created. So again, I keep saying again a lot when it's like the first time I'm saying something, but there you have it, how to create a very simple program, GUI program in Qt. So in the next couple tutorials, I think what I'm going to do is eventually get into more advanced programs, and I like to teach, instead of just giving you guys the basics, boring knowledge, I want to teach example by example, maybe teach graphics, animation, maybe get into a game eventually, but I'm not, guaranteeing anything. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed that little demonstration. And if you have any questions about anything or you want the source code, go ahead and ask me on my forum, tnbforum.com, and I'll be happy to answer them for you there. Oh, and one more thing before I let you guys go. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Google+, and yeah, I'll see you later.